So good morning students. After completion of catalysis, enzyme catalysis also. So next one is colloids. What is a colloidal solutions and the true solutions? Actually, mixtures are classified into three types based on size of the particles. Okay. So now the mixtures are classified into three types on the basis of size of the particles. So mixtures are three types based on size of particles. So what are three types? So first one is true solutions. True solutions. Second type is suspensions. What is the second type is suspensions. Third type is colloidal solutions. First one is a true solutions, second one is a suspensions, third one is colloidal solutions. So now size of different types of solutions and examples of the different types of solutions. Actually, true solutions size is millimicron. What is a millimicron or less than millimicron? Suspensions size is 1 micron. Colloidal solutions size is in between 1 millimicron to 1 micron. So it is millimicron, it is micron, between millimicron and micron. So sugar, urea, salts, acids and bases are dissolved in water are the best examples of true solutions. So these are the homogeneous system. It means actually, for example, so it is the water. It is a water. So now sugar is soluble in water. What is the sugar? Is soluble in water. So then sugar homogeneously soluble in water. So the obtained homogeneous mixture is called solution. So solution is the homogeneous system. So it means sugar uniformly soluble in water. So true solutions are homogeneous systems. Suspensions example is sand in water and also dirt in water. What is a dirt in water? So both suspensions and colloidal solutions, are heterogeneous system. Heterogeneous system. So mixtures are three types: true solutions, what is colloidal solutions, and suspensions. So then some examples of colloidal solutions. Some examples of the colloidal solutions. Actually, true solutions. What is your true solutions? So true solution consists of two components. One is a solute, another one is a solvent. One is a solute, another one is a solvent. So colloidal solutions. So colloidal solutions consists of two components, that is dispersed phase. What is a dispersed phase plus dispersion medium. Dispersion, what is a medium? So true solutions with solute and solvent, colloidal solutions with dispersed phase. It is a DP, dispersed phase. It is a dispersion medium. It is the DM, dispersion medium. So dispersed phase is lesser quantity component. Dispersion medium is larger quantity component. Actually, dispersed phase is present in what is a dispersion medium. Dispersed phase is present in dispersion medium. So now Some examples of the what are some examples of colloidal solutions? Some examples of colloidal solutions. So first one is smoke. What is a smoke? Actually, nature of interaction. What is the nature of interaction? Actually, colloidal solutions consist of two components: dispersed phase and what is a dispersion medium. So now the attractions are affinities, much affinities between much affinity. What is a much affinity between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called leophilic. Leophilic. Leophilic solutions. There is no attractions. There is no affinity. No affinity. What is it? No affinity. So no affinity between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called leophobic. Leophobic solutions. So leophobic, leophilic. Leophilic means affinity or attractions between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called leophilic. No affinity, no much attractions between dispersed phase and dispersion medium is called leophobic. What is a leophobic? So now the in smoke nature of interaction is leophobic. What is interaction is leophobic. What is a leophobic? So now in smoke, dispersed phase is carbon particles. Dispersed phase is carbon particles. Carbon particles. So dispersion medium is air. What is a dispersion medium is air. So it is simply aerosol. What is a aerosol? So now carbon particles in what is air. So now carbon particles are solid, air is what is gas. So now it is the solid in gas. So it is S in G. S in G means solid in gas. What is solid in gas? So next cloud is leophobic. It is also leophobic. Leophobic. Blood is leophilic. What is blood is leophilic. Milk also leophilic. Leophilic. Starch solution also leophilic sol. But gold solution is leophobic. What is leophobic? So now in cloud, what are the dispersed phase? Water drops. What is water drops? So cloud water drops in air. So dispersion medium is what is air. So now water drops means it is liquids. What are liquid? Liquid in gas. So now it is the liquid in what is a gas. So next one is in blood. In blood, dispersed particles are albuminoid particles. What is albuminoid particles? Albuminoid particles. So now the dispersion medium is water. Dispersion medium is what is water. So dispersion medium water, it is the aquasol. Dispersion medium, it is the aquasol. So air is a dispersion medium, it is the aerosol. Water is a dispersion medium, it is the aquasol. So now, wherein it is the leophilic, albuminoid is a solid, water is a liquid. So now, solid in what is a liquid? Solid in liquid. So the fourth one is milk. In milk, what are the dispersed phase? Liquid fat. It is a liquid fat, and dispersion medium is water. Dispersion medium is water. So liquid fat is the solid. What is a liquid fat? Is a liquid. So now it is a liquid in liquid. Liquid in liquid. In starch solution, dispersed phase is starch. So starch is the solid. So now dispersion medium is water. So now it is the solid in what is a liquid. Solid in liquid. In gold sol, it is leophobic. So then dispersed phase is gold particles. What is it? These are the gold particles. So now dispersion medium is water. So it is all are, it is a aquasol. Water is a aquasol. Air as a dispersion medium, it is a what is aerosols. So these are the some types of some examples of colloidal solutions. So what are smoke, cloud, blood, milk, starch solution, and what is a gold sols. So now, so these are two types of interactions are present. One is leophilic sols, another one is leophobic sols. Much affinity between dispersed phase and the dispersion medium is called leophilic. No affinity, no much attractions between dispersed phase and the dispersion medium is called leophobic solutions.